With an efficient QR code scanner readily available, you can make a digital payment, log into a Wi-Fi network, or add someone to your contact instantly. That's the reason why iOS offers a built-in QR code scanner and lets you add it to your control center. However, if you need to use the scanner frequently, why not go a step further and add the QR code scanner right to your iPhone lock screen? That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to press the power button of your iPhone to bring up the lock screen. Now you have to unlock your device and then long press on the screen. Then you have to tap on the customize button at the bottom of the wallpaper. Then select lock screen. After that, you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the quick action button that is irrelevant to you, for instance, flashlight. Then you have to tap on the plus button. And under the search control section, select scan code icon. And finally tap on the done button at the upper right corner of the screen and you are good to go. Going forward, all you need to do to trigger the QR code scanner is just long press on its icon on the lock screen and point your camera at the code to scan it. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.